Zorya Swarog, the Dawnbringer, tours Rick Grimes and his YouTube audience through Leszy Robotics' Kaizen-powered factory. Inside a 20-foot shipping container, Zorya explains their secret: continuous improvement. Engineer Bogdan showcases an automated material loader, boosting missile pod production by 50% and cutting downtime by 30%. Engineer Ludmila highlights redesigned sensors for faster battleoid mode transitions, reducing errors by 95%. Engineer Vasily unveils the Breath of Perun ventilation system, recycling heat to improve energy efficiency by 25%. Rick marvels at the innovations, calling it lean manufacturing at its finest. Zorya teases future plans: AI-driven predictive maintenance and containerized heat treatment. She winks. Kaizen is the way. As the camera pans out, robotic arms hum with activity. Rick signs off, saying, "Leszy Robotics builds the future, one shipping container at a time." The screen fades to black. Leszy Robotics engineering the future, one Kaizen at a time.